Hi guys, welcome to this short video about really important safety issues about Android phones. So this has been posted a couple of days ago, and it is about 30 to 38 apps which Google has banned from their Play Store, but they haven't removed it from your phone. So if you have it downloaded already, Google didn't remove it from your phone. So you can go down and read a little bit more about this issue if you want. I will put down the link into the description so you can click on that and read everything. But the thing is, really 30 to 38 apps have been banned, and there have been up to 20 millions of downloads, and there's a huge chance that also you have been downloading and installing this app and it's still on your phone, and it can do crazy things. It can spread really bad things. It can lead you to malicious websites and those things, and it's really important to get rid of these things. So yeah, just check this list here. When you go down, you'll find this list. Most of them are beauty and selfie related. That's a good thing. So if you haven't downloaded such camera things, you should be good to go. But if you have such things, then you better check on that. So I have been doing some research if we have some tool which will remove that, and it looks like it's not around. So you have to really check on this list and find out if you are affected on that. But the thing is, it's not a real virus. It's not a Trojan horse. It's not a real virus. It is not like ransomware or really bad stuff, but it is really bad adware. It is not just some really light adware, but it's really intrusive, really bad adware, something which you don't really want on your phone. And it's important to set some settings on your phone. I have checked it on my phone and I was surprised to see what I found, so I guide you now what to do. So the best thing is to go to the system settings here, and there's a security tab. So this security status here, and there are two things here, like there's the Google Play Protect, and yeah, I mean, or the update here, the last thing at the very bottom here. And this is good to check on updates. When I went here like 2 days ago, it was not updated. I don't know why the system doesn't automatically update this. I have really no clue. So make sure you really check for updates every now and then here. So maybe every week or every month or so, when you have nothing to do, go here and check on the security status and check if there are updates here. That's really important. And also there's another thing, there's the Google Play Protect here. You can invoke it from here, or you can invoke it from the Play Store itself. So it's the same thing. So if you are here basically in the Play Store, you can go here and click on Play Protect or use the link from the system settings. So here, yeah, everything looks really good. I mean, they're saying they are scanning apps and so on, and yeah, Play Protect regularly checks your apps and device for harmful behavior. You'll be notified of any security risks found. So yeah, I mean, they are doing something, but it can be that you have disabled some really important things, and so you better make sure that here on the right top there's this wheel here. You click on that and make sure that you have it really activated, like the scan apps with Play Protect and the improve harmful app detection. So I would highly recommend to activate both of these things to have the best protection as possible. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with that. And if you have any friends or family members who could also be affected from this security issue, just make sure that you share this valuable information with them so they can protect themselves as well. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.